Have you heard about bond vigilantes? There's a lot of people who theorize that inflation is going to increase in the future. And the reason that it's going to increase is because the government actually has an incentive to increase inflation. The reason for that is that we have $30 trillion in debt. When you inflate the dollar, the debt becomes less expensive and the government can pay off their debt more easily. So a lot of people think that the government is going to actually support inflation because it's easier to pay the debt. Well, there are these people called bond vigilantes, and bond vigilantes is not a person. It is a representation of institutional investors, trillions of dollars, massive money. And it's not one decision, but when inflation happens too much, when there's too much government spending, when the dollar becomes worth less, collectively, the massive group of wealth tends to sell US bonds. When they sell US bonds, that drives the price of bonds down, it raises the interest rates. And what effectively happens is it makes it harder for the government to spend because their borrowing costs go up. So it sort of serves as a check on excessive government spending.